In this guide, I'll show you how to live stream on Facebook using the mobile app on your phone. So from the Facebook home screen, select what's on your mind at the top, and then we're going to select live video at the bottom. Now your phone will prompt you to allow microphone and camera access. Feel free to select which ones you'd like. And just beneath your name at the top, if you select the drop down arrow, you'll be able to make your live stream public for friends only, just yourself, or specific friends. So once you've set that to your liking, you'll also see at the top a microphone icon, so you can turn it on or off. You can also swap your camera as well as turn on the flash if you'd like. And at the very bottom, you can add a description to your live stream. Now, you'll also see 4 buttons at the bottom. One's to invite your friends in the bottom left corner. The little heart icon is for charities if you're setting up a fundraiser, as well as polling. And in the bottom right corner, you'll see the hamburger icon, where you'll see a few other options as well. So once you've adjusted everything to your liking, you can select Go Live at the bottom. And then after a couple of seconds, you'll now see in the top left corner that you're live on Facebook. And if at any point you want to finish, simply select Finish in the bottom right corner, and then it'll finish after a couple seconds. And you'll have the option of downloading or deleting your live stream. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next.